How to fix Google Chrome AW Snap error. For this first step, restart the device. After restart, move on with next step. Open up browser, click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the privacy and security settings. Click delete browsing data, select all time and click delete from this device. After completing, go to next step, click system settings. Use graphic acceleration when available is there. You need to disable it and check if the problem still remains. You need to revert back it and move on with the next step. Click reset settings. Click reset now. After resetting, you need to close it and come to next step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset the network. Thank you.